Greetings from Ari team. In this video, we will see and learn how to prepare a GRN document without taking reference of requisition or purchase order. So for this, I will navigate to transactions and click on GRN under purchase section. So let's first understand what GRN is. GRN stands for Goods Receipt Note. We are preparing GRN, that is Goods Receipt Note, to update our inventory with items received from the vendor. So we will start with entering header details first. First field is party. Here we will enter or select from drop down the name of vendor, supplier, or our party from which items are procured. I will select here this one, Green Farm. Currency will be there by default, which is associated with the party, and conversion rate will be displayed accordingly with respect to base currency or organization currency. Please note that we can change conversion rate from Cards Master anytime and as many times. Next is stock point. Here we need to enter the stock point to which the stocks will be stored. Price list. By default, price list linked with party will be displayed. Price list can be changed as well. Here, selection of price list will also indicate whether price list is inclusive of tax or exclusive of tax. If I select here this price list from this drop down, and then if I hover my mouse, then it will display whether this price list is excluded tax or included tax. Now, another field is tax. By default, tax associated with party will be here. It can be changed as well from drop down. This tax will be available at item level as default. Item barcode. So we can scan the item by barcode as well, or we can manually enter barcode number here in this field. Now, in GRN details section, we have an option to enter product details manually if we aren't going to scan the items. So here we can add products by product search using drop down menu or by assembly tab or variant product selection tab. So from drop down I will search pen drive, which is a lot product. Now, since this is a lot product, it is necessary for me to enter the lot number at the lot number field. So let's see the lot number is this. Now the validation that was there before has gone, and similarly I will search one more product, that is Dell monitor, and I will enter quantity as 5 again. Let's say the price per unit is 120. Now, I will click here on Assembly tab. And click here on by name. So I will be able to search the assembly product from this drop down. So I will click this, enter the quantity as 5. So once I will click on apply, all the individual component of the assembly product computer will be listed here in details individually with price list that is entered in purchase price list. Now, in this video, we have entered 6 items to keep this short. We can do thousands of entries in GRN without affecting the performance of worry. So next, we will enter additional charges. So I will click here on additional charges tab and select any additional charges account from the drop down. Let's say shipping, and enter the amount as 100, for which tax will be calculated automatically here. Now, so in this video we have seen how to prepare a GRN document without taking any requisition reference or purchase order reference. Thank you.